Shalom, Ozark Geek here. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Been out of commission. Had to have a major surgery, so just now getting recovered. And trying to get my strength back and a few other things. What I'm doing today is rebuilding a deck. When we moved down here to the Ozarks, we set up, needed a deck to walk on because of rough ground and stuff like that. So what I did is I went to a local mattress store and picked up some mattresses. They had queen and king size beds on, not mattresses, but the pallets that they traveled with. And we used those and then got deck boards and put on top of them. And that wood wasn't treated, so after a couple of years, it started to deteriorate. And last year, I rebuilt this deck, this section here. It's roughly 8 foot square. For what we need, it's fine for size. And so this one was starting to get real soft. So we started to do this, rebuild it today. I've been teared apart yesterday. And so to redo this, I built I-beams, what I'm calling I-beams, using treated 2x4s and 1x4s. So I had put a board on the bottom, and 2x4 in the center and a board on the top. I figured that would give me a flat surface on the ground and wide coverage for the 2x4s, or the decking boards rather, to go on the top. And so got a frame built, and we're taking nails out of the old boards here and screws out of the old boards and starting to reuse them. And this one is longer than the one I had, so I'm going to be in the process of adding some other new boards to it, and that'll give us about 2 foot more on the deck side out on this end than what was there. But anyway, short video. That's all I got today. Hope you like it. I know the wife does already, and we'll go from there. We'll see y'all later. Hit the like button. If you haven't done it already, hit the subscribed and the notification button. You'll get notifications whenever I do a new video. But that's kind of where we're at. Shalom. Bye. Shalom, Ozark Geek here again. Just a quick update. The deck edition is pretty much complete now. As you can see, we got the decking boards back on it. Added a couple of rows of decking boards. It's like 18 inches longer now. We can set the 2 chairs back up here and just sit back here and relax after the sun goes down. Gets a little cooler. And went down through here today and cut branches off of this tree and some other trees out here. So when I mow the yard, I'm not having to duck under trees, and I think it actually looks a little better. So, but a little bit of work on the yard and the place today. So hope you like it. Ozark Geek out.